Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upgrade to Windows 11 for legacy BIOS based computer without trusted platform module version 2.0. This is a requested tutorial. Many users requested us to make this tutorial for legacy BIOS based computer. However, let's take a closer look at the procedure. At first, let me show you system BIOS mode of this computer. As you can see, the system BIOS mode shows legacy and the secure boot status unsupported. And this computer is currently running Windows 10 Pro, and when I'm going to upgrade it to Windows 11 using ISO file, okay, let me show you. Yeah, as you can see the message, this computer can't run Windows 11. Here's why. Because this PC does not support trusted platform module, TPM version 2.0, and it does not support secure boot. Whatever the problem is, we need to fix this problem to run Windows 11 on our computer. Don't worry, here's the best and easy solution for this problem, and of course without losing data. Alright, now simply close this Windows 11 setup window. After that, copy all the system files from the extracted Windows 11 ISO. Once done, create a new folder where you want. After that, paste all the system files in this new folder that you have copied. Once done, open the sources folder and find for freeze.dll file. Once you found, then just delete it from the sources folder. If you want, you can save a copy of this DLL file. After deleting, simply go back and launch the Windows 11 setup. Now let's check the result. Alright, as you can see that no more error message is being displayed about TPM 2.0 and secure boot. However, now you can follow these step-by-step screen instructions to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Alright, our upgrade procedure was successful. Now let me show you the system BIOS mode of this computer. Okay, as you can see, the BIOS mode shows legacy and secure boot status unsupported. However, there is no reason to be worried as per our personal experience and research. Once the upgrade procedure is completed, just run the Windows update for necessary device driver and software. So I hope this simple guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.